You already know what you're supposed to be doing right now. You knew it when you woke up, and somehow you're doing everything except that one thing. That's not you being lazy. That's just your brain doing its job, looking for an easy way out, skipping hard work. It's not broken, it's just being a brain. The problem is, your brain can't tell the difference between something dangerous and a YouTube video. It only knows easy or hard, and it always picks easy until you train it not to. Here's the part nobody tells you. Focus isn't something you're born with. It's more like a muscle. If you've never trained it, of course it feels weak. Most people try to sit down and force 2 straight hours of work through pure willpower. They sit down, feel nothing, and decide something's wrong with them. Nothing's wrong with you. You just skipped the warm-up. Nobody walks into the gym on day 1 and lifts their max. You'd break yourself and never come back. But with focus, everyone expects full speed with 0 practice. So, this is what actually works. Start small. Small enough that it almost feels stupid. 5 minutes. 1 task. That's it. Not 2 hours, not some perfect productive morning. 5 minutes. Phone away, just do your thing. Why 5 minutes? Because starting is always the hardest part. Once you're in it, it gets easier by itself. 5 minutes is small enough that your brain barely puts up a fight. There was a time when I couldn't focus on anything longer than 10 minutes. The phone was always in my hand, and I felt busy. So I started setting a timer for 5 minutes and working on one thing. Most times, when it went off, I just kept going. Not because I forced it. There was just nothing left to fight. That's the real secret. You don't need more motivation, just an easier start. Quick pause. If this is making sense, hit subscribe. What's coming next is where it actually starts to matter. Most people get the 5 minutes working and then just stay there. Same 5 minutes every day, never building up. That's not the point. The point is, you slowly add more, same as building strength at the gym. Week 1, 5 minutes. Week 2, 10. Week 3, 20. You're not forcing it, you're earning it. And bit by bit, you can do more without it feeling brutal. Do that for a few months, and you won't even recognize the version of you that used to lose focus after 10 minutes. But there's a part that matters more than any of that. At some point, stop treating the work like something you push through just to get the result. Most people hate the process, only want the outcome, and spend the whole time wishing it was over. That doesn't last. Just suffering won't bring you to your goals. You have to actually like what you are doing. People who actually keep going long-term found something in the work worth showing up for. The quiet of a focused morning, starting to notice the muscles you built, that small hit when the timer goes off and you know you actually did it. I'm not saying force yourself to love it. I'm saying it's in there, so look for it. Once you find it, work stops being something you push yourself into. It becomes something you go back to. That's the real shift. You stop waiting to feel motivated and just become someone who does the work, not because you feel like it, because that's who you are now. And all of it starts within 5 minutes. Nobody's coming to fix your focus for you. Not an app, not a new planner, not some perfect routine. The only thing that builds it is using it, small and consistent, starting right now. 5 minutes now, a little more tomorrow. That's it. If this helped, drop a like. It takes 2 seconds. Subscribe if you want more of this. Go spend 5 minutes working right now. See you in the next video.